two fractions and simplify completely. Okay, Ryan, can you tell me what would be the first step here? Okay,
Not quite sure.
okay, Ryan, not sure. Sunit, what do you think?
Find the least common factor.
Finding the least common denominator, or sometimes it's referred to as least common multiple, LCM. So what is that, Sunny?
x plus 2.
Right, so the LCM is x plus, it's exactly the same. So if I have a over b minus c over b, if the numbers at the bottom of the fraction are exactly the same, then you keep this and you just simply subtract or add whichever at the top of the fraction. That's how you add fractions. With the variable, we do exactly the same thing as we did with the pure number. So in this case, the LCM is the same, so we're going to keep that at x plus 2, and we just simply subtract what we have at the top of the fraction. So it would be 3x minus 1 and then minus x minus 5. Okay, Ryan, can you tell me what would be the next step now?
To subtract the numerator.
Next step would be to distribute, right? You have to distribute.
Yes, distribute, yeah.
This would be like a minus 1 here. So let's do that. At the top of the fraction, I get 3x minus 1 minus x plus 5. So if I combine like terms, I get 3x here minus x, that add up to 2x, and then when I add the constant or the numbers, I would get plus 5 minus 1 would be plus 4. So at the top of the fraction, looks like I get 2x plus 4, and the bottom of the fraction I get x plus 2. As you see, we don't have any of those choices here. Sunit, what do we have to do next here?
I'm not sure.
Okay. Here we need to reduce. Is this reducible? Brian, is this reducible?
I want to say yes.
Okay, if it's reducible, can I factor what we have on top of the fraction, Brian?
You can factor the 4.
Well, we don't have any 4 here. We have 4 over here, but we don't have any 4 here. What's the greatest common factor between these two terms?
2.
Okay, so you want to factor the 2 out. If I factor the 2 out, so Neat, what do I get inside the parentheses if I factor the 2 out?
2 plus x. I'm sorry, x plus 2.
Wait, x plus 2. Because if I distribute this, if I multiply 2 times x, I get 2x. 2 times 2 would be 4. So you factor the 2 out. What times 2 give you 2x would be x. What times 2 give me 4 would be 2. So this is how you factor. On the top of the fraction, you get 2 times x plus 2. And at the bottom of the fraction, I get x plus 2. So Ryan, what is this equal to then?
Two.
Right, so I can reduce this now. The whole thing is equal to 2 over 1, or just simply 2. So B would be the right answer here.